forgot your passcode, and can't get into your iPhone Air? Don't worry, many users face the same issue, and there are several reliable ways to reset your device. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 proven methods to restore your iPhone without a passcode. You'll learn how to reset it using the Forgot Passcode option, Tenorshare for UK, iCloud, and iTunes. Each solution applies to different scenarios, so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. Keep in mind that all 4 methods will completely erase your iPhone Air, so proceed carefully if you don't have a backup. Method 1. Using the Forgot Passcode option. If your iPhone Air is running iOS 15.2 or later, Apple provides a simple way to reset your device right from the lock screen. Enter the wrong passcode several times until the screen shows iPhone unavailable. Along with Forgot Passcode, tap that option, sign in with your Apple ID and password, and follow the instructions to erase your device. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone Air will reboot, and you can set it up again, either restoring from an iCloud/iTunes backup or configuring it as a new device. This method is fast, requires no computer, and is ideal as long as you know your Apple ID and have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Method 2. Reset using Tenorshare for UK. No passcode or Apple ID needed. If the Forgot Passcode option doesn't appear, or your device is frozen, unresponsive, or disabled, Tenorshare for UK is a helpful professional unlocking tool that can reset your iPhone Air without requiring your passcode or Apple ID. Download and install Tenorshare for UK on your Windows or Mac computer. Then connect your iPhone Air via USB and open the program. Click Start and follow the steps to enter recovery mode if needed. For iPhone models with Face ID, quickly press and release volume up. Then volume down and hold the side button till you see the Apple logo. This usually takes 10 seconds. Once the software detects your device, click Download to obtain the latest iOS firmware. Then select Start Remove to begin the reset. After the process finishes, your iPhone Air will restart in factory fresh condition. This method is perfect when your screen is stuck, the device is disabled, or you can't access any reset options. Method 3. Reset via iCloud requires Find My iPhone. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you can erase your iPhone Air remotely using iCloud. On another phone or computer, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Find My iPhone, choose your iPhone Air from the device list, and click Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm. As soon as your iPhone connects to the internet, it will automatically erase all content and settings and return to factory defaults. This is an excellent option if your device is lost, frozen, or you cannot unlock it directly. Method 4. Reset via iTunes. Connect the device to your computer, put it into recovery mode, and wait for iTunes to detect it. When prompted, select Restore. iTunes will download the latest iOS version and begin resetting your iPhone. After the process finishes, your device will restart as new, with the lock screen removed. Although slower than other methods, it remains a dependable solution when the others aren't available. That's it, 4 effective ways to reset your iPhone Air without a passcode. Whether it's locked, disabled, or you've simply forgotten the code, one of these methods will help you regain access. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others who are locked out of their iPhones. See you in the next video.